My name is Gugu Sitole. I am from Glamping Adventures. This weekend we're here at the Drakensberg, as you can see right behind me, the mighty Ampitheatre. What a way, what a place to launch the Glamping Adventures Foundation. There's simply no other place in the world to have done this. So this weekend we've been busy with a series of workshops and film screenings to the community of EMazizini, just here outside the Royal Natal National Park. We are screening movies that have to do with conservation, that have to do with the environment, you know, educating the communities on issues of sustainability, or of taking care of the environment so that in turn it takes care of them.